Hey guys, saying as I'm planning to build my PC real soon. I went to AliExpress for a cute keyboard at a good price for my gaming experience. And I checked this what I found guys at K68 wire mechanical keyboard for gaming and for office work. Can be used for Microsoft Windows and Apple OS system. Including this product, ISP interface type and a product information manual. As you can see, it's super lightweight and super portable guys. This mini keyboard only 60% of the standard size and appearance. It's a fast and stable mechanical shaft. I provide a last fight triggering for you. It has 10 kinds of colorful lighting, allowing you to customize your typing experience and add some personality to your setup. This keyboard also has 65 key standard, providing a full range of functionality for all your typing needs. So for perfect guys, when you use it in some dark room, this mechanical keyboard is like a shining star in the night sky. Super stylish and adds some booster when I'm do gaming. This product look good decent. A wireless keyboard is really recommendable to some gamers out there to experience the fun and hype while playing. This product is such a great deal for you. I even love it compared to the other high-end brands I'm gonna use before, but it surprisingly holds up my preference in terms of what I need. So guys, unleash your gaming potential with this amply mechanical keyboard featuring a colorful switches and lights fast response and precision. A sleek design adds a touch of sophistication to your gaming setup. Dominate the competition with every keystroke. This mechanical keyboard guys provides longer lifespan than the membrane switches. They last long, so it's super worth it if you use it. Just always remember guys, to use it, you use it with the proper in care.